count, y'all all smell like cheesy. I could rent the car, now I'm a rapper. I could get a tattoo, well now I'm a trapper. Tupac and Big, Tommy and Drake. It's like going from a steak to a Philly steak. Young Thug and Panda, to Bone and Twist. That's like going broke, back up to me owning shit. These lyrics is lyrics to these idiots here and said I could probably rap gibberish and go harder than Diddy did. Flip the water like 50 quick sunk the city. Ain't bloated lit, so I'm back with no notices. Knowing no voters did vote for this. You copy pasting ass bastards. No, I'm rapping ass rappers. Instagrammy's y'all actors with a mad strange pose for the camera. I stay strapped with a fat rap on a real 8-track. I ain't no fashion, but I stay back waiting for the payback. Fuck a Maybach, what the fuck you say that?
Some Swisher house, some Swisher, and I'm down, we can't fuck with y'all, no, we can't fuck with y'all.
Heck yeah, let's go get a beer.